Next, we'll pass on to, we'll see superposition principle of electrostatic force. Superposition. Superposition என்ன? Of electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Superposition of electrostatic force. It's principle of superposition of electrostatic force. So what is that superposition principle? Many force act on a point. That's a superposition. For example, we have many charges. Just I am taking the example. Q1, Q2, Q3. I have taken 3 charges. I wanted to find out, and I'm taking a charge Q4 nu vechikkalama, or either I will have it, no problem. Either 1 nu vechikkalam. Either 2, 3. Let us no wrong in it. So let us take it as 2, 3, 4, and so on. We have a charge Q1. I wanted to find out the net force act on Q1. That's all. So Q1 is attracted. Let us assume all are positive charges. Just for the purpose of understanding, let us take it as positive charge. So this charge will be attracted by this, or you can take anyway. Let us take it this. Here, this Q2 attract Q1 or repel. This is the direction of force offered by 2 on 1. What is the force offered by 2 on 1? Force offered by 2 on 1 will be force offered by 2 on 1. This is the vector quantity. Next, force offered by 3 on 1. 3 on 1. This will be the force. Correct? This is force offered by 3 on 1. What about this? This is force offered by 4 on 1. So this is called force offered by 4 on 1. What is superposition principle? The net force will be equal to sum of the individual forces. What is the individual force? Force offered by 2 on 1 plus force offered by 3 on 1 plus force offered by 4 on 1 and so on. This is called net force. So this is called superposition principle. So what is superposition principle? The total force act on a charge due to many charge is called superposition principle. What is force offered by 2 on 1? Simple force offered by 2 on 1 will be equal to Q1, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance R12 squared, R12 cap is the direction. Like that way, you can able to write for other cases also. What is superposition? The net force act on the charge due to many charges. So 2 act force on 1, that is force offered by 2 on 1. Force offered by 3 on 1. This is force offered by 4 on 1. What is the total force act on the charge? Net force. That is called superposition principle of all forces. This force offered by 2 on 1. We can able to do force offered by 3 on 1. Q1, Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught, R13, R1 cap. That's all. That is the direction of the second force. Like that way, you can able to do every force. Have you got it? That's all. This is called superposition of electrostatic forces. Thank you for listening.